gorgeous people, I just want to say welcome back again to Flavors with Opal. Thank you for all your support in subscribing to my channel. You watching my video, please remember to comment and like, share as well, and hit that notification bell. On today's video, I will be doing a Jamaican chicken pumpkin soup. Over here I've got half a chicken which I'm gonna cut and clean. I've got some pumpkin, I've got chocho, it's a form of vegetable. I've got potatoes, carrots, I've got butternut squash. This is like a pumpkin, but I like to add it in my soup because you know as well I'm flavors. And here I've got my pumpkin soup mix. I've got a green pepper, I've got spring onions, I've got fresh thyme, really fresh thyme, they smell gorgeous. I've got white yam. I'm not going to use all of that, but I will work with you and show you what I'm doing. And over here I've got plain flour and cornmeal, because I'm going to mix my cornmeal with my flour, but you can also use the white flour on its own, but some people don't like it like that. I personally like it mixed. And on my lovely chopping board here, my daughter bought this and it says Flavors with Opal. Thank you, my lovely camera daughter. And I am going to show you as I go along. I've got my pot over there with my water ready for my soup, so stay with me, don't go away. Yeah, like I said, I've got some nice hot water here, so I'm going to put the pumpkin and the butternut squash in here, and I'm going to boil them for about 15 minutes until, sorry camera girl, until they are soft. And then after that I'll just come back and carry on with the prep like so. I'm gonna just do my carrots like so. I'm gonna scrape them, yeah. So this is how I'm gonna scrape my carrots, and this is how I peel my yam. So I'm just gonna do all of this off camera and then I will show you. Okay guys, see you soon, stay with me, don't go away. Yes guys, so with clean hands I just took the pumpkin from the pot. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just take it out of the skin like I told you, because that's how I like it, so it can be crushed. When it's boiled quicker. You can also leave it in the skin because it's really good. It's good for you to eat the skin while the pumpkin is cooked. So this is the butternut squash and this is the pumpkin. You can see the difference, yeah? So I'm taking it out of the skin because I don't really like the skin in the soup after. That's my neighbor's dog barking away. Right, so there we go. Okay, so look at it, how it's nice. You can eat this, you know. Yep, you can eat this. So this is gonna be all crushy. Ooh, it's very hot. Ooh, Lord, it's burning myself. Yeah guys, this is looking lovely already for my lovely pumpkin soup. Yes, and then now, so this was boiled for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes I boiled it for, and then what I did, like so, now I crushed it. If a few of the skin get in there, it doesn't matter. So I crushed it like that. I'll rinse my hands off for a minute. My chicken is in there now with that pumpkin and butternut squash that I've already crushed. You know the chicken is easy to cook, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna peel the food and put in. So this is the yam that I've already peeled off camera. So you can cut your yam like so. I can hold it in my hands and cut it as well. I like my yam in the soup to be small, not very big. So you can cut it like these sizes. Yeah, really small. So many people waiting for this soup, guys, because my soup is delicious and lovely, and I honestly would like you to try this soup. It doesn't matter what country you're from, you need to try this soup. This is the pumpkin that I've already peeled. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the yam in the pot, because that's the sequence that I like to do it in. And that's the pot with the chicken and everything in the pot. So you see what I mean? I like it like that. You don't have to. Some people just put everything and do it like a one pot meal. So I do it like that, get everything inside of it. And then what I do now, this chicken, you've already seen me do a video with my chicken, how I already prepare it. So after I cut it up and everything, I soak it in some vinegar, lemon and salt, and this is how it comes out. So I'm just gonna put this now in the pot with the pumpkin. There you are. That's it. Okay, you know, with this it's easy to cook now because the chicken doesn't take long to cook. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash my hands again and I'm gonna prepare the food now, because you don't want no salmonella and nothing mixing, like your chicken mixing with your food and all of this rare and all of these things. So that's it. So this now, this already washed, but I'm gonna wash it again and show you. Guys, here's my soup. As you can see, I have to change pot because it's too big. So what I do now, everything is in the pot. Look, all the pumpkin, everything, all the food. So all these things that come on the top here, I like to take it away. I don't like to see it. So I just skim it off like this. It's up to you, you don't have to, but for me, I like to. Okay, and here we are. So I change pots because it's just too much. And everybody is waiting for soup. Oh my God, guys, like I said before, you need to try this. It doesn't matter where you're from. It's the Jamaican pumpkin soup. And it's really, really nice. All I'm taking off is just these bits here. You don't want to see that on your soup, isn't it? You will see some still, but at least I took off a lot. And there it is. Look how lovely this look already. It's a big pot of soup, but I've got a big family and everybody is gonna eat. So what I'm gonna do now, I am going to leave this for a minute and I'm gonna make my dumpling. And the dumpling that I'm making is cornmeal dumpling. So I've showed you my flour earlier on and my cornmeal. So I've mixed it. So when you're making this, it's like a dough, so make sure your hands are clean. My hands is clean, but I like to wash my hands again. So bear with me, let me wash my hands. When you wash your hands, make sure whatever you're using to dry your hand is proper clean, because we are making a dough and it's going down in our stomach. So to this now, I'm gonna add some salt, maybe about a teaspoon of salt. Don't make it too salty. And I've got here, I'm not good at measurements, so I've got here this amount of water, 400. So I'm gonna wash my knead my dumpling like this. Bear with me, I can hardly knead my dumpling that much because I sustained an injury to my little finger, so it makes it kind of hard to make the dough, but I'm trying my best here. So I'm using my water and I'm doing this. And after I make this dough, I'm gonna put it in the pot. Look how this is. I judge it. I've been cooking for a long time, so I'm kind of judging it. But if it gets too wet, I've got some more flour on the side there to add to it. I can't tell you how much. It depends on how many people you're cooking for. But because I'm making a big whole pot of soup there, that's the reason why I'm making this. It's not a lot of dumpling, but yes, I'm gonna make this amount. We're going to, you know, eating this lovely pot of soup. So guys, how you doing today? Hope you lot are doing fine, and I hope you are safe. And remember again to like, share, subscribe to my video. So this is it now. I'm gonna use my 4 fingers, and the little finger is a bit, you know, it's getting better, but it's still, I have to be careful. So look at my dough. See, nice. So then after this, see, good judgment. So you can, because your hands are clean, doesn't matter, you can take this off. You can dough it together like so. I need a little bit more water, so I'm just gonna add a little bit to my hand like this. It's up to you, just to make it a little bit soft. So look at my pan. That was a good judge. So now I'm gonna put them in the pot. So this is how I make my dumpling. Everyone's dumpling is pretty. To me, whether it's pretty or it's ugly, it's going in your belly. So this is like how I make it. This is one set. Yeah, and this is another set that I do. I like to do different sets, like so. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put them in this pot here. Look at that. Ain't that nice? Lovely. All going in. And after putting all my dumpling, I'll be putting in this freshly spring onions and thyme with a nice hot Scotch bonnet pepper, all washed. And then the seasoning that I'm going to use today is only going to be vegetable stock, black pepper, this here. I'll taste it and show you, because you can't put too much salt. You have to judge it because this already got seasoning. The reason why I'm not using an all-purpose seasoning is because my daughter is allergic to it and she's gonna have some soup, so I'm gonna omit that from my recipe today. So far I am getting so excited. This lovely soup here, the best thing you need in the summer. Look at that, how amazing. I honestly think that you all should try it. Yeah, as you go along, all boiling away. I still have a little bit to skim off the top here. Yeah, so now I'm going to put this pumpkin mix in here. I'm using all of it. You can use more if you want 2 packs, but I'm using all of this mix. I think one is enough for a pot of soup like this. And then I'm gonna add in my fresh thyme, my spring onion, which I'm beating. Everything I'm putting in here. My pepper and the seasoning that I've mentioned, vegetable stock, black pepper, and this. Because of my daughter's allergy, I can't put anything much in here. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna leave this to boil and come back so everything can cook. So next I will show you when it's ready. So see, it's still cooking. So I'm gonna leave that for now. I haven't tasted it yet because I want it to kind of boil up a bit first. Then I will taste it and see what else is needed. Yeah, here we are again. Like I said, the finishing touch of the soup. Look at that. You see what I mean? Woo! Look at that. How beautiful. Wow. So what I'm doing now, I am going to taste it. I'm going to taste it and see what it needs. What? Oh my God. This is very, very nice. Look at it. And just to let you know that you can put any seasoning of your choice that you need. Some people put pimento. I don't like pimento, so I won't put it in mine. But this is my lovely Jamaican chicken and pumpkin soup. Try it. Look at this. Look at it. Really, really nice. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that next time when your Flavor Girl Opal posts a video, you will be the first to know. So like I said, love you guys. Have a fantastic day, a cup of tea, and chill.